right, gonna give you a warning, okay? Because it would be more fair if I could get the other person and give them a ticket as well. But you can't let people get to you. I get it.
Yeah, he kind of cut me off, and I know I shouldn't.
Sure. It's frustrating, been a long day, I get it, but I want you and everyone else to be safe. And Officer Peterson with Lakeville Police. I've been with Lakeville for just about a year now. I have 10 years experience at a local county agency prior to coming here. Right now we're out kind of patrolling the city of Lakeville, just taking our calls as we need it. In between we're looking at doing some traffic enforcement. Hi, how we doing?
Good.
Driver's license and insurance. So the reason I'm stopping to talk to you, in Minnesota we have what's called the FOSS law, or move over law. So when there's 2 or more lanes and we're on the side of the road,
there was cars. I couldn't
you had probably a good 2 car lengths to be able to move over. That red SUV was quite a ways behind you. Yeah, for me, a lot of it's education. I don't write a lot of tickets. If you get a ticket for me, it's either you haven't learned from past contacts or experience, or you have a disregard for law and public safety. But I think a lot of what we do is, we kind of try to focus on a lot of education, a lot of enforcement in that route to kind of get a better picture across to everyone. And sometimes it's works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes we come across the same people later on and they haven't learned, and then sometimes a citation is needed. All right?
What do
so
you mean?
hop out. We're just going to go to the front of my squad here, okay?
So what's the reason?
Because I can smell alcohol, and based upon some of the driving conduct and stuff like that, I can investigate you for impaired driving. Harder. Blow through it. Blow through it like you're blowing a balloon. Okay. So, based on that and where you're at for timing and what you're telling me, I believe you. Okay? Understand when I'm looking for alcohol and stuff like that and I have the smell, I'm just going to check it out to make sure everything's okay.
I get this.
It's an exciting job. I mean, there's a whole part of, helping people and stuff like that, but I feel it's, interesting to be able to make an impact on people's lives where you can. There's a few percentage of people that are really fit for this job, and, when you have that calling, it's rewarding and fun to, be able to go out there and help people out.